Good morning, guys. This is Mrs. Carr, and today is Wednesday, April 15th. Welcome. I am here for your rundown. We've been talking about fossils this week, because they tell us and give us a lot of evidence about the past and what our world used to look like back millions of years ago. And so we like fossils a lot because they explain a lot what used to be here. So anyway, so we're starting today with a demo of a lab. We like this one. It's pretty cool to watch this. So you're going to click this, open this up, and then you click play here. Okay. And then when you're done with that, you're going to read this article. Click on that, open it up. And as you can see, it's only these 2 pages here, so not very long. Okay. And then you have your discussion questions here. And you know where to go for your discussion questions. That's back in this Schoology tab under today's date, Wednesday, and you will see the discussion post there. As usual, please make sure you're doing full, complete sentences, no one-word answers. Please make sure you are answering all the questions that are listed here, being specific in details. If that's too much for you to type, or you have difficulty typing, as usual, you can record your answers that way as well, and as I am recording my voice here. When you are done with that, you're going to come back to this tab up here. See, you can flip back and forth between your 2 pages. So once you've answered those Schoology questions, once you've answered these discussion pages in your Schoology, then you're going to come over here and you're going to create a fossil museum. So pretty cool. This is not a link that you click on. See? Trying to click on it now and it is not happening, but you're going to create an at-home fossil museum, so that's pretty cool. You're going to draw some pictures of fossils, and then you're going to create information plaques that give facts about the organisms and their ancient environment. And then you need to and then what would be really fun is if you gave your family a tour of your museum. That would be pretty awesome. So you can do if you are having trouble of what would be contained on a plaque, certainly you are welcome to Google museums and plaques to give you a little piece information about what to include on your plaque. But I would definitely take advantage of this. This is really cool. I think your household would get a kick out of taking a tour to a museum. Seeing as how we're all stuck at home, this is a great way to get out of the house without actually getting out of the house. You can put them all around the house, and your museum could be have different rooms, different zones, just like you would at a real museum. You could put them in the windows. Well, of course, obviously, you should be asking your parents where you could post these things at. But I think you'll have a really good time with this. So be creative and have fun with this assignment. It's going to be totally awesome. All right, when you're done with that, then you're going to click back into your Schoology and go back out of Wednesday, and go back to the weekly folder and go down to the bottom. If you need more help, then you're going to click on that I need help button. If you are on it and can take a test tomorrow, then go ahead and click on that give me more, and you can complete those as well. And again, make sure you spread those out. That doesn't need to be all done in one day. All right, guys, that's it for today. You all have a good one. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.